Introduction: Antibody Drug Conjugates, ADC development. In the rapidly evolving world of biopharmaceutical innovation, antibody drug conjugates, commonly known as ADCs, are transforming how researchers design targeted therapies. By combining the precision of monoclonal antibodies with the potency of cytotoxic agents, ADCs hold immense promise. Yet their development is far from straightforward. ADC development challenges: linker stability and payload selection. One of the greatest challenges in ADC development lies in the careful design of linkers and payloads. Linkers must remain stable during circulation, but release their payloads efficiently at the right target site. Too weak and premature release causes toxicity. Too strong and the drug never reaches its full potential. Similarly, payload selection is critical. Balancing potency, solubility, and manufacturability is an intricate scientific task. ADC development challenges: manufacturing and characterization. Another challenge is the complexity of ADC manufacturing. Achieving consistent drug-to-antibody ratios, controlling conjugation chemistry, and ensuring batch-to-batch reproducibility are all crucial for reliable performance. Advanced characterization techniques are required to evaluate structural integrity, stability, and biological activity. Without precise analytical control, even the most promising ADC candidates may fail during development. Future directions in ADC development, innovation, and technology. Looking ahead, the future of ADC development is defined by innovation. Emerging technologies in site-specific conjugation, novel payload classes, and next-generation linkers are pushing ADCs toward greater precision and reduced toxicity. Researchers are also exploring bioconjugation with stable isotopes, new analytical platforms, and automation to accelerate discovery and streamline production. The ultimate direction for ADC development is clear, smarter design, safer molecules, and broader applications. BOC Sciences, supporting ADC development and services. At BOC Sciences, we provide comprehensive support for ADC development, offering custom services and high-quality products that cover every stage of antibody drug conjugate research. From linker synthesis to payload optimization and analytical characterization, our expertise helps accelerate innovation and overcome technical hurdles. If you're working on ADC projects and looking for a trusted partner, BOC Sciences is here to support your journey.